On March 14, 2023, at approximately 6:18 p.m., a U.S. 2 Border Patrol remote camera operator observed multiple suspected undocumented migrants load. The driver of the BMW was reportedly driving in an erratic manner. The agents activated their emergency equipment to conduct a vehicle stop at 6:34 p.m. The BMW failed to yield and a pursuit ensued. After a long chase on a dirt track, the officers managed to bring the BMW to a halt. The first Border Patrol agent who arrived positioned his Border Patrol vehicle behind the BMW, exited his vehicle, and approached the driver's side of the BMW. The agent used his collapsible straight baton to break the rear and front driver's side windows of the BMW. The agent reached into the vehicle as the vehicle moved in reverse. The agent drew his handgun and fired one time, striking the driver of the BMW.
God damn it, dude.
He copies.
Huh? Don't move. Hey. Turn it. I don't have gloves. Hey, I'm alive. Dude, why? Why?
Open the trunk, sir. Open the trunk.
Is there people in there?
Yes, open the trunk.
Okay. Hey. They got bodies in the trunk.
What color?
Bodies in...
Gun?
No, try to run me over. There are bodies in the trunk.
Hey, passenger, driver's side, but on the left, by the left foot. By the left foot. Driver's side, left foot. Shit. If you get me up, I'll open it. I'll open it if you guys can.
How many are in the trunk?
I'm sorry. Yes, there's just heads.
How many?
3. Hey, sir, help me up and I'll open the trunk for you. I can get up by myself. I need your permission if you want me to do that. Or I got it.
They're right there. They got him.
Border Patrol agents secured 6 other occupants of the vehicle, which included 1 U.S. citizen who was sitting in the front seat and exited the vehicle immediately before the shooting, 2 undocumented migrants in the back seat, and 3 additional undocumented migrants in the trunk. 2 agents who are trained as emergency medical technicians rendered aid to the driver of the vehicle by performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation and using an automated external defibrillator. The driver, a U.S. citizen, was declared deceased on the scene by the Pima County Sheriff's